Kate.
Moving on, members of the clergy have raised concerns about the negative impact of parents' failure to provide proper guidance and serve as good role models for their children. Also, the national chairperson of the Parents Association, Silas Obuhatsa, has urged the Ministry of Education to introduce life skills as a stand-alone subject. Meanwhile, in Busia County, leaders have demanded the immediate closure of illegal gold mining activities around Bumutiru Secondary School.
Members of the clergy have raised concerns about the negative impact of parents' failure to provide proper guidance and serve as good role models for their children. They have called for collaborative effort among all parties to address these vices that are consuming the youth and urge the youth to take charge of their lives by instilling responsibility in their behavior to ensure their prosperity.
Ni jukumu ya wazazi kulea watoto wao ili kwa tena katika njia nzuri, njia ya heshima. So
ni vizuri sisi wazazi wakati mwingine hata lugha ambazo tunatumia kwa watoto wetu tujichunge sana.
Also, stakeholders led by the national chairperson of the Parents Association, Cyrus Obuhatsa, have urged the Ministry of Education to restructure the curriculum and introduce life skills as a stand-alone subject. They attribute the lack of life skills among the current generation of learners to the existing policies that do not recognize life skills as a distinct subject area.
The issue of life skills should go all the way to universities, should be picked up as a special subject to be trained in.
Meanwhile, the Control of Budget, Margaret Nyakango, has stated that the Kilifi County government is operating within the required 35% limit on the wage bill. However, she observed that there has not been a comprehensive analysis of the required skill sets. The Control of Budget's office is conducting annual monitoring and evaluation visits to counties, focusing on the wage bill compliance, pending bills issues, and counties' initiatives to improve their own sources revenue. While Kilifi County has performed well in these areas, Nyakango advised the county to review the payment schedule for pending bills, optimize revenue streams, and operationalize a revenue enhancement action plan.
We are looking at the wage bill and the compliance thereof. We are also looking at the progress of the pending bills, and this has been an ongoing exercise.
Now what we have agreed with the Control of Budget is to see, we just don't throw the papers in the dustbin.
Leaders and locals in Marachi's Central Ward, Butula constituency of Busia County have called for immediate closure of the mining activity that is being carried around Bumutiru Secondary School, saying that the activity is likely to undermine education in the area. The area MP Joseph Oyula and Marachi Central MCA Shadrach Masinde maintain that the gold mining that has been going on for the last 3 years is an illegal venture.
Tunataka gold. Tunataka gold na hatusomi. Kwa hivyo